On this day, a king was born, Robert Nestor Marley, known as Bob Marley. This painting is a tribute to the late Robert Bob Marley. Check out today's video, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Camille. These are the colors I'm working with today. Liquitex Basic Fluorescent Pink and Green, and Martha Stewart Fluorescent Orange and Yellow. I'm reusing the canvas today, and I'm so excited to be publishing this video on today, February 6th. It's Bob Marley's birthday. He was known, for his contribution to the reggae industry. He's known as the king of reggae. So, when I saw the colors and how it came out and all that, it's so bright and vibrant, I just wanted to, do this painting and as a reflection of, our roots and culture. And of course, February is Black History Month, guys. And you know what? I'm so happy to be able to contribute as an artist, using colors that inspire me, colors that's a part of our roots and culture. And that is what the journey is all about. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I do hope that you learned something about my culture and all that too. All right, so don't go away, guys. Stick around. I'll be embellishing this piece, as you can tell from the intro. So do enjoy the pour portion of this video, and of course stay tuned for when I'm embellishing the video, and I'll be explaining to you why I wanted to embellish the video with the lion. All right, so do stay tuned all the way to the end, and I really do appreciate everybody for coming by, stopping by, staying tuned. And of course, if you're new, I want to say, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. You know what? Because I do have great content to share. And of course, hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. All right, guys. So thank you so much for being here, and stick around to the end. Thanks. Here it is, a close-up of the wet result. I'm loving the colors, guys. It's so vibrant. The cells got stretched a bit, and as you can see, I do have some black remaining in the center of the canvas. My torch had actually failed for this video, so when I torched, I didn't get to bring the bubbles up, you know, the cells popping through the black in the center as much as I had wanted to. So there was a lot more black paint remaining on the canvas. So what happened is the black started to pull the colors into the center and make the cells a little bit more elongated, and you know, distorting, changing the cells a bit for me, and I really wasn't too happy with it. Therefore I decided I'm going to embellish it. As you guys can see, I saw a face, I saw a lion face in the middle of my canvas. I know you guys are not seeing it. Maybe you guys are saying, oh, I see some crab legs. I actually painted those in while it was drying. I didn't show it on camera because, you know, I just added some more yellow and you know, just to try and save the cells, but I still wasn't happy with it. Then I decided to do an embellishment, and I didn't have any painting ready for Black History Month, Bob Marley's birthday, all of that. And then when I was going through some of my failed paintings, I saw it. I saw the lion, and I'm like, hey, the lion represents Rastafari, right? And you know, Bob Marley is a Rasta, so I was a Rasta, so you know, and the lion represents Haile Selassie, you know, who is referred to as the conquering lion of Judah. And the Rastafarian dreadlocks, guys, it represents the lion's mane. All right, I know you've seen painting of Bob Marley where, you know, there's a head of Bob Marley and a head of a lion, and his hair, his locks is also the locks for the lion. And I'm like, wow, it's just so beautiful how people are so creative with their imagination. So I saw just the lion's face, and I was hoping that the colors surrounding the lion's head would represent his mane. I was really trying, guys. I was really trying to bring that out. That was my main goal. But hey, at the end, you know what? The painting speaks for itself. So I'm okay with it. You know, it's what it is, and it's art, and I'm really appreciative to be able to share with you just a bit of my journey, guys. So I just do hope you love it. And you know, so the colors I'm actually using for the embellishment are Artist Loft Yellow Ochre, Artist Loft Payne's Gray. I'm using Golden Titanium White. I'm also using decoart Tan, and yeah, those are the colors that I've been using for today's embellishment. And you know, I went in with the white all over because, you know, you need like a base to hold the colors, you know, because colors sometimes they're transparent and you're gonna see, you know, the color underneath. So I really wanted to hide out all those neon colors, so block it out. So that's what I was doing, guys. to mention to you guys that I did use Burnt Umber. It's by Amsterdam, just to create a little bit more depth in this piece. And you know, the face is coming in together so nicely, you know, and I'm just so happy that I'm just happy to, you know, be a part of this Black History celebration. And as a matter of fact, you know, the songs that Bob Marley wrote, I think he wrote 2 songs mentioning about the lion and all that. He wrote a song called Iron Lion Zion. And, you know, I just want to quote some of the lyrics. You know, it goes like this: I am the rock, and then I check a stop. I have to run like a fugitive to save the life I live. I'm gonna be iron like a lion in Zion. You know, I'm on the run, but I ain't got no gun. See, they want to be the star, so they're fighting tribal war. And they say iron like a lion in Zion. So loving those lyrics. Thank you so much, Bob Marley. And the second song that he wrote, talking about the conquering Lion of Judah. And just a few of the lyrics, it says, the Lion of Judah shall break every chain. You know, give us Jah victory again and again. The conquering lion shall break every chain. You know what, guys? Their freedom song, and this is what Black History Month is all about, you know. So we have to celebrate that, and we have to make mention. And I'm so happy, you know, to be able to inform, educate, use YouTube as a part of that platform to, you know, embrace my culture, love my culture, and to know who you are. We all have to know who we are, and that's what the joy is all about. All right, guys, I do love you all, and I do hope you're enjoying the painting. Stay tuned for the dried result coming up. And of course, here it is, all dried. I'm so loving it, guys. It's so amazing. It's beautiful. I really didn't get to portray the colors. That's what I wanted the main to be, those beautiful colors. But it is showing something different. Let me know, you know, what your thoughts about this one. Leave it in the comment section below. And of course, I want to say happy Black History Month. Thank you for being a part of my culture. Thank you for being a part of my journey. And you know what, guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you do, and share it with your friends and family. Check out my playlist, guys, and I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.